In 2018, we're growing the team and we're looking for someone to join us to help us promote the events, run our social media and engage our Facebook support group.
The PopUp Business School is on a mission to democratise entrepreneurship. We want to make it possible for anyone on the planet to make money doing something they love.
And we're doing this by changing the way entrepreneurship is taught. And we want to make the very best practical startup information available to anyone, absolutely anyone. We've been on this mission for about 7 years now to change the way entrepreneurship is taught, and we want your help in spreading the message, getting people to our events and taking this to the next level.
So in the next 12 months, for example, we're going to run 35 events, and we want to increase the impact that we have out in the world, in the community, by growing the size of those events. Help us find people that are out there now thinking, I want to start a business, I've got these ideas but I don't know where to begin. Help us find those people, get them to our events so we can inspire them, we can activate them and help them make money doing what they love.
And if you want the full details of the role, they're all below. Click on the link, visit the website. We're not looking for a boring CV, we just want your ideas and energy, and we want your help changing the world.